In this tutorial we will see how you can do this easy, yet nice transition, using onex. For the shooting, just hold the camera at the same height and walk by the person you are filming. Try to maintain the same distance between you two. To keep it simple, I will show one transition between these two clips. For the editing part, open the INSV file of the first clip with InstaStudio. Choose Free Capture, and add as many keyframes as are needed to keep the person in the center of the screen. Repeat the process with the second clip. Now open your editing program and import the MP4 files. I will use Premiere Pro for this one. I delete the sound so that it won't distract us. Place the second clip on the upper layer. Search for the point that you want to make the transition. I will choose the time that the right foot is fully extended. When you are ready, cut the clip and delete the first part. Now go to the first clip and search for the point with the same foot position. Drag the second clip so that it starts from this point. Play back and check if the walking rhythm is smooth. If not, move the upper clip some frames right or left until you are satisfied with the walking flow when the clip changes. Now for the final adjustments, place the cursor at the beginning of the second clip. Increase the opacity so that you can see both clips. Adjust the rotation, the position, and the scale as needed, in order to match the person's figure with the first clip. Play with opacity to see the result. If it is okay, cut the first clip and delete whatever remains. Now we have to remove this gap we created when we changed the second clip's position. To do that, nest the two clips and adjust the scale of this sequence. If you are planning to use more clips, then edit as shown, and nest all clips at the end. That's it.